Stuck in a cleaning rut? How AUTODECO's 40-piece kit rescues your ride from dirt disaster. Have you ever looked at your car and thought, I don't even know where to begin? Dirt, dust, stains, and pet hair seem to multiply faster than you can clean. Every time you try to tackle one area, you realize there's another spot to scrub, another mess to wipe away. What if there was a tool that could handle it all, quickly and effectively? Enter the AUTODECO 40-piece car wash detailing kit, your ultimate weapon in the war against car grime. Can this all-in-one solution really help you take control of your car's cleanliness once and for all? The first challenge: tires, wheels, and those tricky corners that seem to hold onto dirt like a magnet. With the stone cleaning hook and a set of drill brushes for both interior and exterior cleaning, the AUTODECO kit helps you reach every crevice, banishing dirt and debris with minimal effort. The 40 pieces are designed to tackle the tough stuff, making sure no part of your car is left behind. The low-pressure foam gun works wonders, giving your car a spa-like clean without streaks or fuss. But how do you deal with the mess inside the car? From crumbs to pet hair, it seems like a never-ending battle. That's where the 7,500 Pascal vacuum with a 15-foot cord and 5 attachments steps in. Whether it's your seats, carpets, or hard-to-reach areas, this vacuum sucks up dirt and debris like a pro, leaving your car feeling fresh and spotless. With the detailing brushes included, you can scrub and wipe down every inch, from the dashboard to the door panels, with soft, lint-free microfiber towels that ensure a flawless finish. What about the time it takes to clean your car? Between juggling tools and battling tough stains, it can feel like the process will never end. The AUTODECO kit streamlines the process, offering specialized tools that handle multiple jobs at once. The foam gun isn't just for washing, it also doubles as a garden sprayer, saving you the trouble of buying multiple tools. With detailing brushes and vacuum attachments, you can move seamlessly from one task to the next, making your car look brand new in less time. Efficiency is the key to winning this cleaning battle. Why settle for a collection of random tools when you can have the complete solution in one affordable kit? AUTODECO's 40-piece car wash detailing kit saves you money by providing everything you need in one package. No more hunting for different cleaners or wasting time at the car wash. The kit is durable, versatile, and backed by customers who swear by its effectiveness. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want your car to look pristine, this kit is your ticket to a cleaner, more enjoyable driving experience. Ready to start your car cleaning adventure? Let's get started.